Who
Yeah,
wants to start?
yeah. I
Great.
think that when we talked last time, I was showing all the all the workflows we created here in the company for to use this AI tools in a production code, like in a big code bases and all this difficult stuff. Uh, and actually, it was a kind of journey because I could get some results about that. Of course, all the results I cannot show here, but I can tell some details. But I something that I could like get from my I vibe coded a tool from Git, so I can get data from the Git repo that I was using. Right, I vibe coded this thing, and then I asked AI to create a report for me. Of course, we are talking about AI here, right? And then I was able to see, for example, when I compare the first 3 months of the year, like January to March, and then from April to end of June, right? That was the things that I could create. That I in this repo for me for my productivity. Okay, I was talking about here just lines of code, and I could see like since the beginning of my use of the AI, like before March, I was not using. After April, I was using, and we could see uh, numbers, incredible numbers, like 5 times the number of line of code that I created before, 3 times more features, more PRs created, uh, and I could divide like the code in testing, actual code, and documentation. And then I could see, for example, uh, four, almost 4 times more code in terms of feature code, 6 times more code in terms of testing code, and 8 times more code in terms of documentation code. Like it's just for me, and it's using that things that we covered in the last episode. Okay, so this is a result for the last episode that I I didn't have at the time. Now I have. you know,
Mhm.
it's kind of incredible. Of course, it's my case, so it's one person data, and I've seen some presentation from a study of Stanford, and these numbers are with like 100,000 developers from some thousands, some hundreds companies, right? And then these numbers are uh, much more. How can I say? Clear when we look in a much broader number of people. I have the numbers here, okay, but I think we can talk a little more about our specific information. Then we can after that our personal experience, and then we can talk more. After that, we can talk more about this kind of uh, broader experience from outside the world.
Okay, all right. So